Walter, you guys ready to rock and roll this morning?
We're born ready.
Listen, you know, rock and roll is it's going to be my thing for this morning because iHeartMedia is sponsoring us, and you know, I'm from the 80s, so it's like rock and roll.
There you go.
Me, Vincent?
I'm with you.
Feel me?
I'm all over it.
All right, so we've got Caribbean ribs this morning. We're going to look at the ingredients, then we're going to start chopping it up. You guys are going to kick it up a notch with some special ingredients. We've been talking, haven't we?
We have.
Yeah,
We've been
working
talking,
together on
we've been
this.
doing some tastings, we've been going through some recipe, different ideas and changing it up a little bit just so Walter's recipe is incredible to begin with.
Yeah.
And I wanted to enhance what he wants to bring to the table so we could just blow them out of the park with no problem.
All right.
So
He's the closer. All right, you're going to bring it.
listen, Mariana has nothing on me.